Showbiz watchers did a double take when Peter Andre went out in a top bearing the name Jordan. As fans of a certain age will know, that was the name the singer's ex-wife Katie Price was almost exclusively known as when they were together. 4. Peter Andre was out in London wearing a Jordan hoodie-credit splash. 4. Katie Price was known as Jordan back when they met on I'm A CelebCredit, Rex. She rose to fame under the name Jordan, which she used in her glamour modeling days but ended up sticking for decades. In fact, when the pair married in 2005 in a mega magazine deal dubbed the wedding of the century, it was billed as Jordan marries Peter Andre. Their reality shows used the name too, with the pair appearing in When Jordan Met Peter, Jordan and Peter, Laid Bare and Jordan and Peter, Marriage and Mayhem. The name was dropped for their 2007 series Katie and Peter, The Next Chapter, and gradually fell out of favor. Peter wore the hoodie last night as he left a performance of his West End show Grease, the musical. The name on the top was in fact a reference to former Chicago Bulls basketball star Michael Jordan, 59. Nike's Air Jordan brand has been used on everything from trainers to t-shirts since being introduced in the mid-80s. Peter thanks everyone who had come to the first night of his musical Grease in London. Writing on Instagram, he said, "Opening night was a full house and wow, what a crowd. Thanks to everyone that came to see the show." Peter and Katie met in the I'm A Celeb jungle in 2004, got engaged that May and married the following year. They went on to have 2 children, Princess and Junior, before announcing they had split in 2009. Peter went on to marry Emily McDonough in 2012 and have 2 more children, Theo and Amelia, while Katie married first Alex Reed then Kieran Hayler, with whom she shares son Jet and daughter Bunny. 4. Pete was leaving the Dominion Theatre in London's West End credit splash. 4. Peter and Katie, then known as Jordan, at a charity show in 2004 credit, Rex features. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.